The Mitchell Park Domes in Milwaukee, Wisconsin is a great destination for any time of year, so relax and take a stroll through the gardens. First, we'll visit the tropical dome and check out the exotic plants and vibrant flowers. The tropical dome is kept at 78 degrees and at 45% humidity. Some of the featured plants include black pepper and a coffee tree. There's some kind of critter swimming around in there, maybe larvae of some kind. The koi pond is definitely a highlight, with active fish swimming all around. Next, let's head over to the desert dome to see the wide variety of cactus and other desert plants. The desert dome is kept at 65 degrees and at very low humidity. There are even resident doves hanging out. The show dome changes its theme seasonally, 5 times per year. We are here during the holiday and Christmas show. It also hosts a model train show and seasonal shows specific to the time of year.